So guys, this is just how it's gonna go. You can stake it however you want, whatever works for you guys. Let it grow, let it grow, let it grow to be strong. Oh, hello guys, welcome back. Today we are reviewing this grow light. So let's go ahead and show you what is inside the box. They give you a nice manual. They give you your stakes. They give you your light. So, brackets and your poles. So, basically very simple. This is USB operated. Now you can use this with a power bank if you don't have a USB close at hand. So that's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using this for a power bank. We're going to set it on the side. On the actual light, you have, you do get pretty long length. Any USB port will work, but we're just going to use a power bank. So on here, you have your different modes and settings. You can power that on, and as you can see, it is pretty bright. So, very, very bright. You got, let's see, you got a timer. You can plus or minus the brightness. So that can actually get really bright. So this just kind of threads in like that. So if we wanted to do one stake, we won't need all these others. And for that, you just slide this in like this. So there we go, like that, it's gonna go. So yeah, let's show you guys how it looks. Yeah, it's that simple. Check out the listing for more information.